Hello, it's Miss Sanad, and today I will be showing y'all how to create a Kahoot as well as play one. So Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as an educational tool in schools, and we will be using it frequently in our class. For this unit, students will compete in Kahoot games to test their knowledge of the plant life cycle and other factors contributing to plant growth. There will be a mix of general multiple choice questions with text only, some with pictures, true or false questions, etc. Kahoot is great to play before any assessment, and in this case, I will have my students play Kahoot before they begin planting, so they are fully prepared and know what they're doing. So right here, I'm on the Kahoot homepage, and in order to create a Kahoot, you do need an account. It's free, but for this example, we'll just assume you already have an account. So I'm going to go to log in, and once I'm on the main page, I'm going to go up here to create, and then hit Kahoot. And there are many options you can choose from, but for this one, I'm going to have my students do the formative assessment. And there are multiple questions you can create. I'm just going to do one for this example. Since this unit is about plant growth, we'll do a Kahoot on the plant life cycle. So for this question, I'll say, what is the first stage of the plant life cycle? And the correct answer, as you can see, is this blue box. So I'll write seed, which is the correct answer. And then I'll fill in the other three with incorrect answers. So seedling, maybe pollination, and we'll say fertilizer. And you can also choose a picture to go along with your question. So I already have one saved, so I'm going to upload one. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And you can also change the name of your Kahoot by pressing edit, going up here, and since it's about the plant life cycle, that's what I will title it. You can also choose a picture to go along with it. I also have one saved, but you can do whatever you want, and you can also add a description on what your Kahoot is about. Hit done and save. All right, so now that we have our Kahoot made and ready to play, I'm going to go ahead and press the green play button, start. And you can choose classic mode where students play individually, or team mode where they partner up and answer questions together, but for this example, we'll do classic mode. And this is what I will have projected on the screen. So this is what students will see. It will have a game pen for them to enter. So on the student side, they will go to kahoot.it, and enter the game pen, which is 415-9374. And they will type in their name. So I'll just do mine. Okay, and so on my side, on the teacher side, it shows all of my students who have entered the pen and are ready to play. And I would also just like to add that students can play using their mobile device, a tablet, their computer, whatever. So that's one thing I really like about Kahoot. So I'm going to go ahead and press start. And then it will show this on the screen. So it shows the question, and then students only see the 4 boxes on their screen, but they will choose an answer based on what is projected. So I'll just go ahead and press the correct answer. Shows if they got it correct or not. And then on my side, I control when to proceed. But anyways, that is just a quick overview on how to use Kahoot. I hope this was helpful, and I'm looking forward to using it in our classroom. Thank you.